ACDSee features some really cool restoration tools that allow you to improve old or damaged images. This image I have is quite small. It's actually only 600 pixels wide. It has several blemishes. It's a historical photograph. I'm going to first utilize the AI denoise tool that's been recently added in ACDSee. You can find the tool under AI actions. The denoise process is going to remove a lot of the grain and unnecessary lossy detail. Next, I'm going to remove these hole punches. To do this, I'm going to click on the Smart Erase tool from the top menu bar. This will operate like a fill tool, filling these holes with relevant suggestions. I'll widen my nib width until both holes can be covered entirely. I'll click to remove them. Next, I'm going to resize the canvas so I can remove these broken edges. Click on the Resize Canvas tool from the top menu bar. I'll just reduce the overall image, and when I'm done, I'm going to click the green commit icon. With these changes complete, I'm going to save my image. Navigate to File and File Save As. I'm just going to change the file name. With those operations complete, I'm going to click my new image and navigate to AI and AI Super Resolution. This function will allow me to increase the size of my image without pixelating the image. I'm going to triple the size and click Enhance. This may take a moment to complete. When it is complete, you can see that my image is 3 times the size by viewing the data at the bottom of the Manage pane. I can click both images using Control-click, and then use the Compare Images button. This will allow you to see the differences between the two images. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you'd like, click the bell icon. That'll notify you when we upload new videos.